Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the new UI which we have created for Mobile App Accelerator. For those of you who are not familiar with Mobile App Accelerator, it is an Agile Point add-on which is used for creating custom branded mobile apps which can be then hosted in a public store, a private store, or even used to create device-specific builds. In the current release, the Mobile App Accelerator UI has been revamped to match the style of the rest of the product. So in one of my previous videos, I already showed that here is the new look and feel for the new Agile Point NX portal. And the same kind of a look and feel has been applied to the Mobile App Accelerator. So if I switch to Mobile App Accelerator over here, here is the login screen. This is the rebranded home page. So as you can see, this has the new tile experience. I'll go to my apps. It shows all the apps which have been created in my environment. So it has again the new tile experience as you can see over here. If I drill down into one of the existing apps, and go to edit. So again, you can see the internal screens also carry the new look and feel, the new navigation style and the new font styles over here. So again, in the mobile app accelerator basic settings, you provide your high level app overview, your mobile app name, descriptions, your copyrights, versioning, support email addresses. In the authentication tab, you're going to pick up what are the various authentications enabled for your mobile organization so that your users don't have to worry about entering things like URL. And on the next screen, on the app filter screen, you can specify that whether you want to see all the apps which are mobile enabled under one single mobile app, or you want to create multiple apps, one for HR, one for finance, those kind of things. So you can, if you select the second option, you can select specific NX applications over here, and only those would be visible within your app. Menu options, again, you can totally customize the menu options. You can change the naming convention. You can enable, disable some of the menu options. From a platform build perspective, one of the things which you will see is that the Windows build has been taken off since the Windows Store is no longer supported. However, the Android and iOS builds remain the same. You can select whether it is a device specific build, a store build, or an MDM build. If you select one of the store builds or MDM builds, you can upload even your own certificates and give your own package name. Then next, on the styling part, you can totally change the look and feel of your app by giving your own custom colors. You can even use a custom color picker, and you can specify custom colors, or you can choose one of the out of the box themes. And finally, you can upload the images and artwork for the whatever platform you are targeting. So for Android, it will show you on the side that which image it is talking about, and then you can upload your corresponding logos over here. And finally, you go to build apps and you hit build. You can enter your email ID, and it will notify you when the build is completed and available for download. So that was the whole experience which has been changed to the new look and feel. Create a new app follows pretty much the same experience. If you go to archive, you can see all the apps which have been archived. You can restore them if you wanted. On the reports side, again, all the reports have been totally redesigned as well. So if you go to overview, you can drill down into one of the apps. It shows you what kind of builds have been created on that particular app. Similarly, if you go to successful builds, you can see which builds were successful, how many of them were built for Android, or how many of them were built for iOS. You can filter down on those. And you can see the failed builds as well. And lastly, for the default settings, if you remember, we covered this in the one of the previous videos on Mobile App Accelerator. It lets you specify your default settings so that you don't have to keep entering all this information for each and every app. If you have this stored in the default settings, all the apps can automatically inherit this information. And then you only specify app specific values while creating individual apps. So for example, if I go to create a new app, You can see that all the default values like my company name, my company website, they all got defaulted because they were stored in those default app settings. So I have to only enter the app names and description and version number kind of things which are specific to my app. So those are the changes you might start noticing in the new mobile app accelerator portal. Thanks a lot for your time.